Hi, this is Dr. Sinclair Gray III with your Motivational Minute. Let me drop this in your spirit. If you want to reach the apex of your career, you have to replace the word can't and use the word can. That's right. You have to tell yourself, I can become successful. I can become a millionaire. I can become anything that I set my mind to. Think about it. Whoever told you that you can't become something does not have your best interest in mind. So from this day forward, destroy the word can't and replace it with the word can. Remember, as long as you have God dwelling on the inside, all things are possible. So tell yourself, I can overcome. I can achieve. I can be anything and everything that I set my mind towards. Remember this again. Replace the word can't and use can, and watch yourself blow up from the flow up.